Hey everybody, Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a 7x12 that we have in stock and on sale. This one's a 2019 Cargo Craft 7x12 in a white blackout package, stock number 14822. You do have the extra tall diamond plate rock guard here along the bottom and then the V-nose guard as well. So that's some nice rock protection there. LED running lights all across the top there and then on the back, of course. Triple tube extended tongue. These triple tube tongues pull amazing, and then by having this tongue a little bit longer, it allows you guys to turn tighter as well. Side door's got the double lock protection with that RV lock and cam bar there on that side door. Plus you've got a nice big gutter there. 3,500 pound axle, 15-inch tire. You do have the black mods with this and then the black diamond plate fender as well for your blackout package. And you guys can see it turns all of this trim everywhere on the trailer from silver to black as well. Side vents with this unit and stabilizer jacks underneath. Stabilizer jacks are really nice to have with these single axles because you guys can fold those down and get in and out of the trailer and not have it tip and pivot on that axle. I'm gonna back up here a little bit. Rear ramp door does come with a spring assist close, so it's very easy to open and close this rear ramp door. I can literally do it with one arm. Now we do have the amazing performance Nudo floor with Drymax in this trailer, which is what you guys can see right here. It's this awesome black surface, extremely durable. We love this product. Underneath it has the Drymax. Drymax does not absorb the water or the moisture, so it's much more durable to have that underneath the trailer with that moisture resistant product as opposed to a standard plywood floor. 4 D-rings in the floor as well, so you got some tie down points there. Side vents, we've got one here in the back, another side vent up in that top left corner. It's going to give you guys a little bit of natural cross ventilation through the trailer, which is great if you're hauling anything in here with fuel. Now you do have an LED interior light right there, and then the back side of the RV lock gives you guys that black plate right there that you see on the side door. Now what that's going to allow you guys to do is have a lock, a latch, and a set of keys and be able to close the door from the interior as well. So here it is. This is a beautiful trailer. I love the white blackout package. It's a nice two-tone color combination, and we've got this one on sale right now. List price is at $47.77, and we do have $300 off 7 wides in stock for the Black Friday blowout sale. So give us a call. We would love to earn you guys' business. We also have shipping options available, so if you don't live near us, that's okay. We can ship the trailer right to you. We do it all the time. We've got a great transporter, and you guys can reach us at 303-688-8485 or check us out online at coloradotrailersinc.com.